Now, now I'm swim chasing in the Dominator 3. Okay, and I see a tornado. And my name is Reed. But I know I'm just making this video so I can. I did say the Dominator 3 will be tomorrow, but I changed the time for the Dominator 3 to come out. I changed the time to 11:15. I mean 11:15, not 11:30. I can't speak because I'm sleepy. Because after I make this video, I'm going to lay down for 10 minutes. But I want you to subscribe so I can make my mom surprised. Can you make that happen? I think I might. Yeah. I think I will subscribe to you guys. Whoever subscribes to my mom, I will subscribe to them. So, I already subscribed to the people or subscribed to me. They have like a lot. So, if I subscribe to them, then I'm gonna show you this tornado. Look at that. I'm gonna show you the image. Yeah. There's a hook echo. There's a hook echo in this because the tornado has to have a hook echo. I know it's kind of blurry because my phone's not really working that well. I'm about to intercept. And I just intercepted. I just intercepted an EF5 tornado. Oh god, I just fell off the edge. But I just intercepted this big old tornado. So, yeah, the next Dominator will be the Dominator 4. So, my name is Reed, but I'm actually not Reed Timmer, but people think I'm Reed Timmer with the Dominator 4. But they added a new game pass because they added a Dominator 4. But next time, then tomorrow, I'm gonna use the Dominator 4. Have a great day, kids, and have a great day in adults. Whoever likes and subscribes to this channel, I will subscribe to them. So have a great day. And then tomorrow I'm gonna chase again with the Dominator 4 if it's out. If it's not, then I'll just storm chase in the Dominator 3. So, yeah. I'm about to end this video. So, yeah. So, yeah. My phone just went dead. But tomorrow, we're gonna start with the Dominator 4. If it's not out, then, yeah. So, like and subscribe, comment your favorite movie, and yeah, I have to fix the comments, but I know how to do it. Oh my god, this thing is crappy. Hold on, but this one doesn't have much. This has a big camera thing. If you think that's funny, leave a like. If it's okay, comment. If it's not good and you think it's ugly, comment a mad emoji. If you think you like it the best time you have ever seen it, subscribe. So I'm going to end this video. So, yeah, kid. Alright. Have a great day, kids. And if you like your parents, subscribe, leave a like, and comment your favorite dinosaur movie. If you like one of the dinosaur movies. I have watched a lot of them. Except the Jurassic Park or the Jurassic World Dominion. But I'm gonna watch that tomorrow. So have a good day. Bye, boys and girls.